Hey guys, been a while, tell you that for sure. I'm in the garage, whatnot. There's a mower. It runs, it doesn't drive, getting stuff for it tomorrow, but this is going to be my new mud mower. It's a Rally. Oh shit, I was about to put my foot up here, and I went boom. So, for anyone who watches my channel, this is a somewhat it's kind of like a cheap way of having fun, I guess, with friends. Take a mower, take the deck off it, make sure it runs, do whatever you want with it pretty well, and whatnot. So last night, cleaned the carburetor, got it running, runs pretty good. I will show you that in a minute, but you know, you're burping a few times, you know, why not? So I have to start using that because nothing goes with the by itself, so yeah. Yeah, I guess I'll start it for you or something. Actually, I got a 4-speed from, if I can move this. Got a 4-speed, so there's neutral, and then you have all your gears and stuff like that. That's not a very good way of showing it. But there's the actual transmission for it right there. And then we have a high and low for it right here. You know, high, low, high, and 1 on 2. Clutch, gotta push this in. It almost just fell, but you know, whatever. It's a way of life. I got some quality content, you know, 90% of it's black screen. Alright, I'll start for you right now. Or I'll at least get it started, and then I'll show you. Yeah. Alrighty boys, got it running. You know, carburetor right there, clean, all that good stuff. Oh, probably gonna die. Yep. Dies once in a while, but that's because there ain't no choke or anything, throttle hooked up to that. Tomorrow, Life on a Farm, or Mud Stuff and Farm Life, or whatever, is giving me throttle linkage for that. That goes from the governor. Might have some, so I can actually hook up the throttle iron. He's giving me rear tires. He's also giving me, I forget. Rear tires, throttle linkage. God damn. Rear tires, throttle linkage. Yeah, I forget. I don't know, I was filming the ground there. I guess it's been a while. I have to film on my phone right now because, well, it's actually morning. 1:20 in the morning, and my crazy ass is filming a YouTube video that'll get 5 views. So, you know, do for the quality content. So, here's actually a decent, better look at. I'll get out of the light. So there you go, boys. That's 8 horsepower. You know, apparently it's supposed to be like a 7-speed. But right now it's only like a 5-speed. We got forward, reverse, another forward gear, and high and low. So 5 or 4, I don't know. Anyways, guys, don't forget to like the video. I stayed up all night playing with Life on a Farm. I'm just going to call him that. Link will definitely be down in the description. If it's not, my apologies. Lawrence, you're welcome for maybe putting your link in the description. And whoop-de-doo, I smell poo. LMAO.